Hi, my name is Ella. Let's dive into what's new in this release. This version is compatible with earlier releases and can be installed on top of existing Flow Manager instances with the following prerequisites. For RPM update, apply both February 2024 and March 2024 first, and then check for YAML compose file and remove it. To deploy Mongo database version 6.0 within Docker or Podman environments, execute the upgrade script. Before upgrading, it's crucial to consider that if you handle multiple source and target subscriptions based on an advanced pattern via REST APIs using the February 2024 update or later, you'll need to review the subscription and adapt it to the new pattern structure, incorporating common and specific product properties. For detailed instructions, refer to the subscription's REST API documentation on adding multiple sources and target subscriptions from an advanced pattern. First, let's review the most important updates in this release. The configuration files for all types of Flow Manager deployments have been updated, and now Flow Manager will be deployed using MongoDB version 6.0. The upgrade procedure from MongoDB 5.0 to 6.0 was provided for all Flow Manager deployments types except Kubernetes. In this latest release, we've introduced the ability to redirect audit data to log output as an alternative to using Sentinel Audit. In this release, the Kubernetes deployment of Flow Manager now supports connectivity to an external Mongo database. In addition to these updates, some bugs have been fixed. In the latest update, Flow Manager now allows you to specify the encrypt mode parameter for the target subscription in flows, where SecureTransport publishes files for partners to pull. You can now propagate the business certificate authority on all transfer CFTs before the SSL certificate is renewed for any given transfer CFT. Find the complete list of updates, bug fixes, and product enhancements in the release notes linked in the description below. The latest version of Flow Manager now offers support for shared folder in SecureTransport flows. Users can now retrieve files from a shared folder configured in SecureTransport. Once SecureTransport receives files from any source type via any protocol, it publishes them in a shared folder accessible to multiple partners via SFTP, HTTP, or FTP protocols. As part of recent updates, we've introduced the ability to propagate Flow custom attributes on subscriptions. When a custom attribute with scope Flow and the tag STFM plugin has a value set in a template or a subscription, it is deployed on the SecureTransport subscription in the Flow's additional attributes. With the latest update, you can activate Flow history and track changes related to Flow modifications. This includes updates to templates, subscriptions, partners, and the credentials that impact the Flow. When changes occur at the Flow level, a new Flow version is saved, and you can check the content of each version in JSON format. In the latest release, Flow Manager includes an option to enable manual acknowledgement for flows, where SecureTransport receives files via PeSIT. When manual acknowledgement is used, automated acknowledgement is disabled from the transfer profile on SecureTransport server. Thanks for watching. Find more information and resources in the description below. If you are not familiar with Flow Manager, check the description below to access free introductory product training. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.